What's good, y'all? It's your boy Zay, and we back for another video, man. Today, bro, we're gonna put that carbon fiber steering wheel on. And if you haven't been keeping up with the shorts, it's here, bro. Came earlier than expected. So, first thing you gotta do is, bro, you gotta make sure that you got the battery unhooked from the negative terminal, because you don't want the airbag to pop out, bro. You don't want the airbag to pop out, hit you in the face, disable the whole car, you know what I'm saying? So, that requires, let me show y'all real quick, a 10mm bolt. I went ahead and took that off before I started recording, and we got 2 minutes left. I set a timer for 10 minutes before we start to get to anything. So let's get in the car real quick. The first thing I did is, I don't even know how to show y'all this. All right, bro, now we in the car. So the first thing is I made sure the steering wheel is straight. All the wheels are straight, you know what I'm saying? You already want the alignment to be good. We got our T30 bolt right here.
Y'all, I can't lie to you. I'm gonna say all right like a million times in this video. And I kept saying bolt when I meant socket, man. I do that every time. But yeah, bro, back to the video.
And most importantly, bro, we have the steering wheel. If I can open it with one hand. Yeah, there we go. So only thing we're gonna have to do is move the buttons. The trim is already up there. So it should be really quick and easy, man. All right, so y'all, the first thing we're gonna want to do is, you can see these bolts in here. They're T30 bolts, like I said earlier. So we have the socket right here. It's probably best to use an extension, but I do not have one for these ratchets. So let's go ahead and get to it. And here it is right here. Here's one. Let me go ahead and grab that other one. And here's what one of these look like, bro. The crazy thing is, bro, look at this. Snap, bro. All right, so now that we have this off, we're gonna, let me see if I can get it. Go ahead and take off these connectors here and take out that right there. There's not really a good way for me to record this, so this right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. There is, if y'all can see, there's a tab right there. All you do is press it down. I use a screwdriver, flathead, just to press it down, then you pull it right out. And what you're gonna wanna do on these are, you're gonna wanna get under this clip right here, like this white part, on both sides, and just pull it up. All right, so here's everything I've taken out so far. Here's the airbag. Now let's set that off to the side. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this right here and unplug this one right here. And as you can see, the tab, you just lift this up and it should be able to pull right out. All right, so next, guys, what we're gonna do is unscrew this right here, take the ground off, and then we're gonna go ahead and attack this bolt right here. All right, we unscrewed that and that came right out easily. Now, we're gonna get into that. All right, so y'all, bro, I could not get the bolt off, bro. I called a local shop. They said they'd probably be able to take the bolt off from me, and they'll do it for free, bro, on the house. So we're riding with no airbag, bro. Check it out, airbag right there. And that's just how we feeling today, bro. So I'm probably gonna have to finish the rest of this up at the place, at the actual shop. But yeah, bro, don't hesitate to call your local shops if you need help doing something or you don't feel safe doing something, bro. So that's what we on right now, man. I'll be back with y'all shortly. All right, y'all, we back, and as y'all can see, they loosened the bolt for y'all, boy. So I'm gonna go ahead, take off the rest, and we're gonna get right back into the video, man. Here is the bolt off, man. They gave me so much trouble, bro. So put that off to the side. gonna take our Sharpie and mark it right down the middle there, so we have everything lined up right. But first off, let's go ahead and take this thing off, man. Go ahead and take this off, bro. All right, so the next course of action is we're gonna take off these 4 screws here, and we're gonna pry up this trim and take these buttons off. So I got the screws off. Now what we're gonna do is pry this back piece off, and I have this right here. I don't have my panel popper, I don't know where it's at, but we're gonna try to pry this off, man. I'm gonna try to start with the sides like this right here. So yeah, for the most part I pop this off. But what you're gonna want to do is, you see these little like hooks right here, you want to make sure you unhook these 2 wires, and then there's a part back here that you're going to want to untab. And is there one on the other side? Yes, you're going to want to untab both of those, and it's the same tab as this one right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Put the tabs out, and this is what they look like. Just gonna want to push that part down, and I've just been using my flathead screwdriver. It took me probably like, it didn't take long to get any of these 2 out, but it took me a little bit of a minute. So now what we're gonna do is flip them over. We're gonna go ahead and take off these buttons and this trim, and we're gonna try to pry this off. This should be really easy, bro. I ain't really worried about this. Let me see if I can. I'm sorry, y'all. I wish I had a cameraman. I cannot record this and do it at the same time, bro. So I'll get back with y'all in a second. I was able to take this part off right here, and I took this off. I don't know if it's supposed to come off separately. I believe it was. Yeah, it's supposed to come off separately. I thought I broke it for a second. It doesn't matter because the other one has this, so I don't have to transfer any of these. But for you, when you're doing it, you want to be careful. And you see how many tabs it has on the sides, on the corners up here on the top and stuff like that. And then these long parts like right there where you're going to have to, I use my flathead to like just kind of push those out. So what we're going to want to do is really be careful on the buttons. I'm going to take this screwdriver and I'm going to try to get it to like the middle where I pry it, because these are the things I need to switch over. All right, y'all, I got all the buttons and everything out. This is just the bare old steering wheel, man. Poor old steering wheel. We got something better, so I ain't worried about that. And here are the buttons. Got them out with the connectors and everything. You see the tabs on the sides. They're really all the way around, and then you have these big ones in the back, but these are easy to get out through the back. So put them off to the side, and we're gonna get the new steering wheel out. All right, so here's the new steering wheel out, man. I think what we're gonna do is go ahead, put these buttons in first. See if we can tab these in there without messing up the carbon fiber. All right, so the first thing I did is I went ahead and took this off because I did not want to mess this up. Now we can try to put these in there. Fit them into all these slots and whatnot. Just like so, nice and easy. As somebody comes to parts right next to me, bro. You cannot make this stuff up, bro. Put these right over here. All these is tabbed in. Let me make sure on the back, man. Make sure these in there snug. Yeah, all that's in there good. All right, I got those tabbed in there snug. Oh, man, that look hard, bro. This is already looking nice, bro. So got that in there. Make sure I tab everything in. Now we're gonna put the back piece out there. So after trial and tribulations, this is not fit for this. I don't know if they made it to just go like this. I mean, it still looks cold, but you know what I'm saying? Still like this on the sides. So I guess it's one assembly without the back piece. I don't know, or I'm gonna have to hit them up. But with that being said, look like we can go ahead and just put this airbag back in there, bro. So I'm finishing up, already screwed the ground wire right back in. I'm about to go ahead and tighten this bolt right here. Make sure it's going the right way. There we go. I'm still a little loose. All right, got that in there. Now it's up there tight. We can go ahead and put this airbag back up here. So first, you're gonna want to connect the wires to the same way. They look up here. Green goes to green, gray to gray. You know, simple. Here's the problem, bro. I can't get the airbag back on because where they at? Those right there. Let's see if I can get a better angle from this side. These things. Yep, those right there. Not the black things, but things behind it right there. Them is hitting the airbag when it could go back like just a tad more and it will have enough space, bro. This is ridiculous. We're gonna have to go with no airbag, bro, just for a little bit, man. This is getting ridiculous. But this steering wheel is cold, though. You can't say it's not, bro. Don't lie to me. This is cold. We're gonna have to find a way to get that back up there, bro. But for now, that's what it is, man. It's been your boy Zay, bro. And we gone. Stay tuned for more videos, baby.